Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! 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 You know what? No, we are not gambling. We're done gambling, dude. This is it. We are done. I'm never going back to the casino again. Let's go gambling! Today's lesson: keep gambling. It's like I don't want to gamble, you know? Like, I understand the risk. I know it's an addiction, and frankly, I just need help, you know? I can't hit the slot machines forever, and it's just one of those things where... Well, I'm gonna have to say it. Let's go!